back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Today we are receiving more news coming out from the market. A lot of stuff for us to talk about as recession concern continue to mount. As of right now, FUD is growing day by day, and many American people are now worried the possibility of the U.S. entering a recession is possibly high. And rising inflation is really hurting the American people. And that's what we are seeing from the community. And many executives from different well-known companies are beginning to put in place significant cut measure. That is what we are seeing as a result of rising interest rate by the Federal Reserve. And we are expecting for another 75 basic point this month. So let's look at the global crypto market right now. It's still around $983 billion here. So we are still under a $1 trillion market cap. For now. Let's look at the crypto market volume over the last 24 hours, around $55 billion here, representing 21.49% increase within the last 24 hours. Out of that, a majority of this trade consists of stablecoin, representing around $50 billion here of trading. So that's what we are seeing. And Bitcoin right now is struggling to stay above our $20,000 critical support level. We haven't seen Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin for some reason. So that's what we are seeing. And that is just the beginning of things coming along. So Bitcoin as of right now is still $19,852 here. Still under a $20,000 critical resistance level. So right now, Bitcoin inability to stay above 20K is going to be a very problematic situation when the next couple of weeks here. Ethereum managed to stay above 1,500 critical support level for now. So that's what we are seeing. Stable coin. Let's look at Tether. Still ranked in third place. USDC coming in fourth place. Binance coin. So coming in fifth place. And Binance USD stablecoin coming in sixth place. So really crazy stuff. For Cardano just beat and took XRP's place. And right now Cardano represents in 7th place as the top 10 coin here. Solana in 9th place, Polkadot in Dogecoin, Polygon. So a lot of stuff are coming out from the market, but however, just a little bit of pullback which we are seeing as of right now. Let's look at this week market, what we are expecting to come. So on Monday is holiday, so it's Labor Day, guys. Happy holiday. And there's no trading, stock trading on Labor Day. But for Tuesday, very important data will be released. S&P U.S. Services PMI will be released. ISM Service Index on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have our international trade balance. Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester gonna speak. So that's what we are seeing this morning though. And in the afternoon, we're gonna have our Fed Vice Chair Lau Brands gonna speak. And Fed Vice Chair for Banks Division Michael Barr gonna speak in the afternoon. So a lot of stuff are coming out. Jobless claim will be released on Thursday. Continuing jobless claim. Fed Chair Jerome Powell gonna speak this morning on Thursday. That is what we are expecting from him. So let's see what he gonna do within this next formal meeting in September. So Friday we have many more well-known Federal Reserve officials across the country are gonna speak in the morning and in the afternoon. So that's what we expected for this week. A lot of federal officials gonna speak on the behalf of what the Federal Reserve gonna do to tame inflation here. Okay, so we have been talking about the dollar, and foreign investors are leaving local currency. They are leaving euro, and we are gonna talk why euro currency have been struggling with this past couple of weeks and under a $1 equivalency. So right now, the dollar is very mighty, folks. Foreign investor has a lot of confidence in the U.S. Federal Reserve and our central bank system, our ability to tame inflation. That's why we have seen the dollar has gone up significantly, even surpassing euro for the first time. So that's how bad European Union are now struggling in the region. The US dollar rose to a new two-decade high in early European trade Friday, while the euro slumped to its lowest level since 2002 after Russia halted the supply of gas in Europe. This is a crisis, folks. This is a crisis, especially with natural gas. It is going to be a crisis because winter is coming up for Europe, and they need a supply to supply them natural gas. And without natural gas, their economy is in a big trouble. And right now, raising fear of energy shortage at winter approach, it's going to be a very problematic situation for the European Union to handle. Let's look forward. The dollar index is up 0.5% high to 110 point. And the dollar right now is that the people are demanding for the dollar. And when we have a strong dollar, our economy is going to slump too as well. So that's what we are going to see. Contraction will continue. And right now, future market have priced in a more 50% that the Federal Reserve will hike up another 75 basis point this formal meeting. So that's what we are seeing. So there is a crisis in Europe, especially with the natural gas crisis. Okay, folks, the OPEC meeting was just held yesterday. And OPEC decided to cut 100,000 barrels per day. So they are pulling back from production. And right now, they are pulling back 100,000 barrels cut per day. That is going to be a problem as recession concern continue to mount. As less supply in the market, OPEC right now is want the price of crude oil to stay above $90 or $100. That's their main objective. So right now, that's why oil price continue to climb. Even though with this crisis going on, and OPEC say, hey, we are pulling back from production line. And right now, we are planning to cut 100,000 barrels per day. And Brent crude, the international standard, we have seen crude oil have rose more than 3.6% to $96.31. So there's a highly chance that OPEC will push crude oil above $100 critical support level within the next couple days here. We are going to expect that coming. So West Texas Intermediate, the U.S. benchmark rose up 2.6% to $89.58 per barrel. So it's going to break $90 in a matter of days. And as crisis continues in Europe, really Russia right now, really Russia. So that's what we are seeing. And recession concern has a great pressure on our economy. So let's look forward, folks. Okay, Bed Bath and Beyond Chief Financial Officer just jumped to a death, folks. So right now he is being accused of a pump and dump to inflate the company's stock value, and really a crisis for us to hear of his sad departure. Where he jumped off from an 18th floor of a New York skyscraper, and he fell to his death. It's very a tragic story to talk about. So right now, recession concern have pressured many in the institution to take significant cost measure, and things are not looking good for the economy. And I really, it's just a sad, tragic story to talk about, especially he's still very young in his 50s. So that's why we are talking about very sad and tragic stuff. Okay, folks, in the end of what are my thoughts with the market as of right now, a lot of uncertainty filling up as the OPEC decide to cut oil production line. We are going to see a crisis in the energy sector. Right now, the energy sector continue to be our best investment. So we are continue to monitor the situation as Buffett continue to buy Occidental share. So a lot of stuff are coming out, and we are prepared for that mindset for the possibility of the U.S. entering a recession. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.